Paint with us, Tape Dragon.
Today we are going to make the easiest dragon ever, and the materials we need are tapes, okay, all kinds of masking tapes that you can find with different colors. It doesn't even have to be masking tape, okay, it can be other kinds of tapes as long as they are different colors. And then there's yarn, scissors, and I'm using a white Posca marker as well as some black markers. Let's start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the yarn on the background paper. I've chosen black so that I can bring out all the other colors. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start getting tapes around. So this is the easiest dragon that you're gonna make ever with tape. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get the tapes and glue down your yarn. Okay, you can make any random shapes that you like. And you can decide how long you want the tape to be. This is going to be the dragon's body. So you see our dragon has a very colorful body. Okay, maybe I'm going to use a different color. So this is a thinner tape. Just going to cut away the tip and use that. Okay, at the end, what you can do is you can trim away the tail. So this is done. Then you can choose a color of tape for the tail, and maybe I'll do a green tail. So cut a few, and I'm gonna trim away top with, cut a sharp edge at the top. Okay, this one. I'm gonna get some more. So that's the tail. If I like, I can cut a smaller shape inside as well. And I guess that's what I'm going to do. And I can overlap them, stick them on top of each other. And now I'm going to get the head. The head, I'm going to use this, the biggest tape that I have, which is this yellow one, and I'm just going to build it up. So I'm going to cut it out and overlap them. Ooh, that's a little bit long and make it shorter. Okay, and I'm gonna cut a little semicircle here. The eyes. And the semicircle here for the other eye. What about the horns? Yeah, I think I'm gonna add some horns. For the horns, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the tape into a thinner sheet. Hide it behind the eyes, and then I'm gonna cut. And maybe I'll add some teeth. So for the teeth, I'm gonna cut zigzag. Oops. Cut little triangles. One over here. The last one. Okay, I'm gonna use my black marker to add in the eyes and the nostril. And then I'm going to use my white markers to add in a little bit of details. One white dragon. Maybe the fire, I'm going to use my tape to build it up, since I happen to have red tape. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it diagonally across. Great. And I'm going to add in some clouds. Oops, sorry.
Yes!
And we're done.
Artist Studio Online Academy.